Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Session Brief. We're on a Wednesday, the 27th of July 2022. Looking across crypto markets today, you're seeing some pretty quiet volumes and pretty thin price action across the board, and pretty much as we're awaiting, all markets are now awaiting the major event of the day, of the week, of the month, and that's the FOMC meet later on today. That won't be coming through for another, what time we're on now, another 7.5 to 8 hours from now, basically. So I expect, quiet markets until then, pretty much trading at the same price points as we were yesterday on these cryptos. So just to highlight, where we're at in terms of the bigger picture, the macros, and then we'll just discuss the technicals. The Fed expected to hike 75 basis points and then provide forward guidance for 50 basis points hikes over the coming months. I reckon markets are going to see this as a hawkish rhetoric. Of course, Powell's press conference will be key as well. How much attention is he going to pay to slowing economic conditions? How dovish will he get? I personally think we might see an initial bounce in risk, but then that might get quickly faded. It's similar to what we got on the last Fed, if you remember. So pretty much like that, like the last one. So maybe initial spike, but then a move down. For Bitcoin, that could be a move below the 21,125 back into 20K. For Litecoin, that could mean down into 50. For Ripple, just rejecting over the past 3 hours as well of 0.3345 resistance could mean a move back down to 30 cents. And then Ethereum is also just hitting that previous range lows here around 1500. So I moved back into about around 1450. So I moved back down into 1280. Take out yesterday's low. Could be on the cards there. So that's what I'm expecting. Of course, we'll continue that could all change depending on what comes out of the Fed. If we go 100 basis, if they go 100 basis points, which is not expected, that'd be a surprise. You're going to see an even sharper move to the downside in risk. If they go 50 rather than 75, that might see risk in cryptos being bid post FOMC. Pretty much it from my end. Like I said, not too much to discuss today because we're pretty much trading at the same price levels as we were yesterday. Not too much change. I'll leave it there. Until next time, see you all in the chat room. Bye for now.